So guys, I'm doing back-to-back recording because I know that I'm very behind. I'm very behind. So how do you identify a breakout or a break of structure? So if you hear me saying breakout, break of structure, first break of structure, fake break of structure, I'm just talking about one and the same thing. I'm just talking about one and the same thing. So the first thing that you wait for once the market reaches a key level, once the market reaches a key level or an SNR level, so something like, let's just go to the monthly. Um, I like this one right here. So here, you see that here we do have a resistance. Here we do have a support. So what are you looking for right now? Let's say you were definitely looking for some sell opportunities. You were looking for some sell opportunities. Maybe you could have even capitalized on some this sells right here. You could have actually capitalized on this sells right here. You could have capitalized on this sells right here. Because as you can see, we do have the endorsement. We do have the transactional liquidity sweep. We do have the endorsement right here. We do have the fake breakout structure. Then we do have a key breakout structure right here, which is this one. Because don't have an opposing candlestick right here, and here we do actually we do have an opposing candlestick, but we don't see a super for high. Then again, here same thing applies. We do not have a super for high right there. Then you could have been looking for sales. So definitely you're looking for sales right here, and it's good you're considering sales. And as I told you, there's something that should occur. So we have this next candle right here. Then now we go to your daily time frame. Daily time frame, you are still looking for sales right here. But once you see this breakout structure occurring, this fake breakout structure occurring right here, fake breakout structure occurring right here, then you're not looking for sales anymore. You just wait until you see the what? The key breakout structure, which is just this one right here. Key breakout structure right here. Then from there, now I'm looking for what? I'm looking for trades right here. I'm now looking for trades going to the upside. So how do you identify the breakout structure? So there are a couple of breakout structures that occur. So there's a breakout structure that is just like this. You'll see in the line sheet is going to be something like this. Breakout structure. So you see that here we have a breakout structure. But now that breakout structure, when you go to what? When you go to your budget, you don't see it. So for example, just something like this. This is a good breakout structure right here. This is a good breakout structure. So look at the difference between, see here, we have a breakout structure. The market even closed above. There's no problem with that. And even when you go to the line chart, you can see that here there was a breakout structure that is visible right there. So you can even consider this one as a good breakout structure. Now, there is another one. So let's just look for an example. Like this one right here. Here, this is a breakout structure. This is a clear breakout structure in terms regarding what? Regarding algo trading. This is a good breakout structure. But when you go to the line chart, you can see what the market did right here. The market did not what? Close below right here. The market did not close below right here. This one is a good breakout structure. Let me show you the one that you should never consider. So we can see that this one, the market did what? Swept that low. But even though the market did what? Did not close below this one, but this is a good break of structure. So the next one that you would see is just something like this. Something like this right here. The market did not sweep this low right here. The market did not sweep this low right here. But you can see on the line chart is clear that the market did what? Gave us a break of structure. On the line chart, the market gave us a break of structure. I do not consider this break of structure. I I highly do not consider this breakout structure important. So the breakout structure that you're going to be looking for is this one right here with the sweep, or the market closing above or sweeping or doing what, you don't care. But as long as you can even identify it on the on the line chart. So when the breakout structure is clear on the line chart and on your candlesticks right here, it's a very good, it's a high probability breakout structure. Then when you see it like this, it's very good, it's medium probability breakout structure. It's not good, but it's okay. But now when you see something like this, step away from the market. You do not consider that breakout structure significant. So I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. If you do have any questions, just ask. So I'm going to be doing another video again right now. So it's just back to back until I finish everything, guys. Okay, so I'm done with this one. Let's just look at another one.